Today I'm sharing with you guys how to clean out that little crack in between your stove and your countertop that seems to collect all of the nastiest things. So all you're going to need is a paper towel or a kitchen washcloth, a butter knife, and your preferred cleaning spray. Today I'm using vinegar and Dawn dish soap. But you're going to wrap your butter knife in your towel of choice, spray it down with your spray of choice, and we're just going to run that along that little crack there. It's going to pull out all of the dried food, whatever fell down there, but because we sprayed our washcloth, it's also going to go ahead and wipe down that surface, get it nice and clean. You're just going to run this back and forth as many times as you can. If you're using paper towel, I wouldn't scrub back and forth. I would definitely do what I'm doing here and just starting at the top, dragging it down, pulling it all the way out, and then going back in. That way you're not tearing your washcloth in between that little crack. But you're going to see how just wonderfully that worked. I hope this helped you guys, and I will catch you guys in another video.